everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Creative Flamingo. I'm Jay, and today I have a Christmas craft haul for you, and this craft haul is from different stores combined. So with that said, let's just get into this haul and see these Christmas goodies that I got. So the first store I'm going to start with is Dollar Tree. The first thing I'm going to start with are these wooden gingerbread, and I actually did grab 6, but I'm only going to show you just one of them so you can see what it looks like. And I like how it has actually little buttons, so you can paint that. And here's the back if you just want it plain. Next, I cannot believe that this was from Dollar Tree, but these are so cute. They're calling them ornaments, but to me, these would be so cute in paper crafting, or you can use these little tags. They look like little tags to me, but you can use them to wrap gifts. And they each say something different, and they have like their own different design. And the bow is so pretty. Usually the bows from Dollar Tree are kind of wonky, but these bows are so cute. Here they are without the glare, and look how pretty they are. They each have their own little bow. I love that. I can't even decide which one is my favorite. So that's these little ornaments. The last thing I have from Dollar Tree is this craft fabric, and it's just pink gingham. And this was the only one that they had because I would have grabbed 2 of them. So this is just what it looks like open. And I think that would be really pretty to go with pink Christmas, Barbie themed Christmas, especially like the vintage looking Barbie. That's cute. Now we're getting into, ooh, look at that. We're getting into Hobby Lobby. I think most of it's from Hobby Lobby. But look at, look how pretty. I don't know if you can see if the light is catching how pretty these are. I grabbed 2 of these because one of my daughters, her Christmas tree this year is going to be a disco theme. So I got these will be the tree toppers. So next I have these cute little Christmas presents. And I'd never seen all pink before. So I got pink. As you can tell, pink is going to be part of our Christmas theme this year. But look, and they're not just that they're pink and they're wrapped in a gold bow, but each of them have their own little print. Like, how cute is that? Oh, and I forgot to tell you all the stuff from Hobby Lobby. I did get when it's 50% off. So I don't think I was telling you the prices. So this was originally $5 with half off, which is $2.50. Next, I have this ribbon, and it's pink with little confetti on it. A little cute gingerbread tree with pretty icing. So I grabbed that. I also got this deco mesh, and I just love these. These are the colors I'm going to do my Christmas. I'm not actually going to put purple in it, but I think it will be fine. But it has all the pretty pastels, and it also has red, but not too noticeable. But the main thing I wanted was because it has the mint green. I don't know why, but the mint green for me has been hard to find. So I did grab 2 of these. Oh, I'm sorry. Y'all, I keep forgetting. This came from Hobby Lobby, and it was half off of $10.99. So this did not come from Hobby Lobby. It actually came from Burlington. So I'm looking for the price, and it was only $2.99. And I got it because look how pretty the pastels are. And this is actually tissue paper, and there's 50 sheets in here. And I got it to do crafts with, but it's really pretty. Even if you just wanted to wrap gifts with, especially this light blue with the snowflakes. I mean, there's pink. There's the one with the trees, and they also have plain white, and it's mirror like silver. So I thought that was a good deal. I did grab some wrapping paper, and I know you're like, wrapping paper is not really crafts, but I do craft with it. And the first one I got is from, I think this is from Dollar Tree, now that I'm thinking about it. And this is Hello Kitty. This is going to be, I'm going to try to use this in my daughter's room, for my other daughter's room for her tree. It's going to be pink and red and white with Hello Kitty. So this is from Hobby Lobby actually, and I got it in their party section when it was half off, and it was half off of $5.99, and it's just mirrored silver. I thought that would come in handy with my Christmas crafting. We're back at Hobby Lobby, and I got more ribbon. I don't know why I didn't just show it all at once. Actually, yeah. No, actually this came from Michael's. Yeah, this ribbon came from Michael's. So I got the pretty pink. I wish they had like wider ribbon of this. And this ribbon has wire in it, but they didn't. This is just what they had. But Michael's Christmas stuff, when I bought this, was 40% off. So this was 40% off of $12.99. Oh, that's kind of high. And this was also 40% off of $12.99. This was the same price. And look how wide this is. That doesn't even make sense. But I did grab these because this is pretty much my Christmas theme with the blue, the pink, and mint green, all the pastel colors, gingerbread. Next, I have this ribbon that I actually got lucky on because it was part of their Halloween clearance. And I got it for 70% off of the $9.99. And it's wire ribbon, but it's going to be absolutely perfect for my daughter's disco tree. So I grabbed 3 of those because that was a good deal. So back to Hobby Lobby. Back to Hobby Lobby. So the next items I got at Hobby Lobby, and they were half off. And these are just some wooden ornaments. I'm not sure if I'll use them, but I just got them because they could come in handy. And you get 6 of them, and they were half off of $2.49. I grabbed this boot because I have a Christmas craft in mind for it, and it was $2.49, and that was half off because the wooden section that day was half off. So I just grabbed one of them. I wish they had a bigger one, but this is the biggest one I could find at my store. And I know this is kind of like, I got this bundle of sticks only because I don't have a lot of sticks in my area that I can find. And these are already glittered and looks like fake snow. I guess they're already flocked. It's flocking. It feels like flocking. And now it's kind of falling all over the place. But I needed this in my crafting. And if I don't craft with it, I can always just put like a pretty ribbon around it and use it as decor, Christmas decor. But I liked it, so I grabbed it. And when I went back to get more of these, they were gone. The thing I have in this Christmas craft haul is this nutcracker. And look, it really moves. I wish I would have gotten, they had another one that was kind of holding like a staff, and I did not get it. And it was half off. Let me tell you the price first. It was half off of $9.99. I should have gotten the other one then because I've gone back 3 times since then, cannot find any of them. Not even this one. And I mean, it stands up a pretty good height. I know you can't see at this angle. I'll probably show you at a better angle, but I should have got at least 2 more of these because they are gone. Well, that is the end of this Christmas craft haul. I thank you for watching, especially if you made it to the end, and I will see you next time. Bye.